Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about alien function or method in Python. Okay, so what is alien function? Alien function is used to find the length of the string or the variable. Okay, so let's say if this is the string that we have stored in one variable name, and this is the actual data that we have stored inside this string, which is Sharmit. Now, requirement is that like we want to calculate the length of this entire string, like what how many the length is for this particular variable. So how to calculate it? So for that purpose we use alien function. So how to use it? For now I am using print function just to show you the actual length of this string, and but you can also store it as in some other variable also. So here we are using alien function inside the print. So alien, and inside the parenthesis we are passing the variable for which we want to calculate the length. So this is the variable name. So once this line got executed, what it will do, it will print the actual length of this name variable. Okay, similarly, suppose on line number 13 I have changed the string. Now the length is exceeded, so we just want to make sure that this length is now changed. So for that reason we are printing the length of name variable again. So this time it will show the actual length as per this data, not as per this data. Okay, similarly, suppose if there is a string which is a multi-line string, so in that case also we can calculate the length with the same method. Like you can just write alien, and inside the parenthesis you can pass the variable. Okay, so let's save it and try to see the output. So for executing the output, I'm pressing Control tilde from my keyboard, so it will open a window for me. Now here you can search, means you can type Python, and your session name is session 6.py. So once you hit 6.py, so it will provide the three output, which is 7, 13, and 54, which is correct because on line number 9 we have initialized the data as Sharmit, whose length is 7, and on line number 13 we are initializing it with text Sharmit, so length is changed now. So line number 15 shows the 13, and likewise we are calculating the length of our multi-line strings, which is 54, so it is printing 54. Okay, so this is how we can utilize built-in alien function in Python that we can use to calculate the length of the variable. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more methods from Python. So thank you for watching Texture Math.